Welcome to another adventure from a seasoned trucker. We are starting our video here in Fremont, Nebraska. Had a little bit of trailer repair done. Now we need to hightail it up to Lamar's, Iowa. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave comments down below. I'm getting tired, but I have to keep going. That's the thing about truck drivers. You gotta keep on keeping on at times. We have about 104 miles to go. Should be up there around 6:30. It's 4:48 right now. My appointment was at 5 o'clock. So go figure. I tried to get out of this load, but my dispatcher really needed me to do it. So it's like, okay, I'll do it. Let's head on up to Lamar's, Iowa. Now remember Lamar's, that's where I started the ice storm in Iowa video last month. We're not having that problem today though. It's warmed up to balmy 24 degrees. Stay tuned, I'll be back. It's going to be a beautiful sunset back here in Nebraska. Over a river that's partially frozen. I'm about ready to celebrate my 1-year anniversary with Mark. At the end of the month. You know, I'm very blessed to have Dina in my life. We are two unique individuals. We love the hell out of each other. But we don't need to be around each other. Hardly ever. She likes her space, I like my space. Y'all might think that's a strange relationship. But I've said it before in some of my videos. She probably saved my life by walking into it. I'll be going back home at the end of next month so we can celebrate our birthday. down by Austin, but that's contingent on the weather. It's supposed to be an ice storm in Dallas, Fort Worth, down to about Waco, starting Wednesday afternoon. So we'll see. We're on US 77 northbound. Good morning. We got done late last night. We just left Lamar here just a minute ago. On our way to Fort Worth. They're supposed to get a hell of a snowstorm down there starting tomorrow night. That's all day Thursday and part of the day on Friday. City, Iowa. Highway 2 and then back onto the US 75 southbound. I didn't feel like going to Omaha on the 75. That would have taken me a little bit of time. We're only 610 miles out of the Dallas area. then we'll be going back into Nebraska. Yeah, that's alright. Even the best of us have rainforests, right? Alright, I just stopped here to scale my load. I didn't even adjust my tandems, slide my tandems at all when I got to the shipper yesterday. I just left them right where they were. And man, I'm spot on. I think I'll give myself a brownie button for that one. Because I'm at 33.4 on my drives and 33 about 8 on my trailer tires, on my tandems. We're at 79,000 pounds. So I think there's more than 42,000 in the trailer. Even though that's what the bill of lading is saying. I've said it before that my empty trailer and my truck weigh about 34,500. And if I'm at 79,000, you got almost 45,000 pounds in the box. That's why drivers, scale your loads, man. Never trust the bill of lading. I can stress that all day, every day, until I'm blue in the face, and so many drivers won't heed that warning. Go by what's on the bill of lading. Now, I'm not going to scale a load if the bill of lading says 20,000 pounds. I'm not going to do that. You can really tell by the way the truck is handling. And I can tell I had a heavy load. But like, let me stop and scale this just to be on the safe side. Sure enough. So anyway, we're on Highway 2 here in Iowa. So as we cross the bridge, we'll be back into Nebraska. And we'll go back on and hop on to 75 and go south. We all have been out here before. I talked to my YouTube brother at Trucker's Life, Jorge Navarro. Go check his channel out if you haven't checked it out. Super good guy. Super good guy. Someday we're going to do a live show together. I actually interviewed him a couple of years ago up in Oregon. time together. Alright guys, I'll be back in a bit. Welcome again to Nebraska. Soon we'll be in Kansas. Stopping here for a 30-minute break. Gonna go in and get me something to eat. Quite a bit of snow here. Truck stop was crammed and packed just a day or two ago. It's nice to be almost maxed out in weight. You have so much more grip, traction. Alright guys, I'll be back. Okay, break time is over. Let's get on the road. Had me a couple hot dogs there from A&W. $3.50 for 22 of them. Coney Island dogs with chili and onion and jalapenos. $3.50. That was it. We're in Fairview, Kansas, you guys. Getting ready to hop back on the 75 southbound. It's going to be a bright rest of the day, and I don't wear sunglasses. Because sunglasses make me really tired really quick. I think I'm going to have to really search for a different phone holder. I really don't like this angle, but nothing I can do about it right now. This will drop us down to Topeka. And then we'll go around Topeka, hop on the Kansas Turnpike, and take the 335 down through Wichita. And that'll put us on the 35 all the way down to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be back. I just stopped here at the Flying J to use the restroom really quick in Newton. Absolute mess. Absolute mess. They got quite a bit of snow down here, as you can see. And I have seen, coming down the highway, the turnpike here, I have seen at least 5 or 6 trucks up in the ditch on their sides. You know, that's something I was stressing the other day, man. Stay the hell off the roads. It's really not worth it. I hope that all those drivers are okay. Once you get on the interstate, the road is beautiful. I don't know if the cameras picked it up, but out there in the field, that's all ice from all the crazy rain they had. Look at the trees covered in ice. And it's only 15 degrees here. So until it starts warming up, that crap isn't going to melt. Look at the trees on the right. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys. I'll be back in a bit to close out this video. We're going to take a 7-3 split. I don't have time to take a 10-hour break. I have to get all the way down to my son's house tomorrow. So I'm going to be taking a 7-3 split. Stay tuned. Okay. We are done. Going to take our 7-3 split here. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave comments down below. Look at that beautiful sun. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me try and zoom into the field across the way. See all the ice over there across the highway. Pretty spectacular. Sorry for the shakiness. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave comments down below. And most of all, let's be nice to one another. Until the next one, adios.